Liato. Number 1. Security risk analysis. A systematic process to identify assets and imitate risks compromising safety and security of an organization or system. Number 2. Threat potential dangers, such as theft, cyber attacks, or natural disaster. Number 3. Vulnerability weaknesses in security system like lack of CCTV. Number 4. Risk matrix. A tool to evaluate risk levels based on likelihood and impact categorizing risk. Number 5. Risk mitigation. Strategies to reduce risk including physical security and cyber security. Number 6. Security investigation. A structured process of gathering facts and analyzing incidents to determine causes. Number 7. Criminal investigation. Investigation focusing on crimes such as theft, vandalism, or fraud. Number 8. Corporate security investigation. Investigation of intentional threats like employees' misconduct or industrial espionage. Number 9. Cybersecurity investigation. Investigation of hacking, phishing, and online fraud. Number 10. Workplace security investigation. Investigation addressing harassment, violence, and policing violence. Number 11. Background investigation. Verification of individuals' criminal records, employee, financial. Number 12. License to operate. A permit issued a penalty allowing a private security. Number 13. License to exercise security. A permit allowing the individual to work legally as a security profession. Number 14. Private security agency. Entity providing security guards or specialized. Number 15. Security consultant. A profession who designs security plans and provides advisory. Number 16. Security hardware. Device the alarm, CCTV, and biometric scanners. Number 17. PNP SUSYA. The government office supervising and regulating private security. Number 18. Pre-licensing training program. Mandatory training for new security professions before the obtaining LASP. Number 19. In-service enhancement training course. Periodic training of the update and enhance skills. Number 20. Private security training. Academy at authorized institution conducting training program for security. Number 21. Canine security service providers. Agencies deploying trained dogs and handlers for security. Number 22. Protection agency bodyguards. Trained personnel hired to protect individuals personally. Number 23. Private detective agency. Licensed agency provide investigation and service like surveillance. Number 24. Security officers of supervisory. Course training for security personnel aiming for leadership roles. Number 25. Security consultant service. Fire offering race assistant and program planning advisory. Number 26. Electronic security and alarm service providers. Components specialized electronics and system installation and maintenance. 7. Private patrol operators. Agency providers mobile patrol and awareness. Number 28. Security training providers. Accredited in a institution offering security education and training programs. Number 29. Moral character. Requirements for security personnel indicating goal, ethic, standing, and behavior. 30. Physical and mental fitness. Health criteria. Security personnel must be verified traits and medical certification.